introduction, we have got not MCU 8266 as our laboratories work. We need to discover and identify with ourselves what have we got from this hardware is a low-cost open-source IoT platform. It initially include firmware which runs on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi enabled system on chip SoC from Expressive system and hardware which was based on the ESP12 model. And then we come out with one project using not MCU ESP8266.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so I'm going to explain about the features and specification and also its limitations for the not MCU. This is the not MCU ESP8266 that we got from our lecturer. As you can see here on the ESP12E chip, it shows the number, the model ESP8266, and then its specifications on the chip. And then there's around 30 chip. There's 30 pins which has its own names and their specification doc. On the not MCU also has a 3.3 volt regulator, and then there's a micro USB port, a flash and reset pin, and also the last one is the 2.4 GHz antenna that comes along with the not MCU with the ESP12E chip.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Rusydi Mohamad Supian. I'm going to present you guys how the process of the data we uploaded to the not MCU. Firstly, we're going to create the coding and upload the coding through the IDE Arduino. And when they are finished the coding, we're going to transfer and upload the coding goes to the not MCU, and from not MCU, the data will be transferred to the ThinkSpeak, which is known as a platform IoT. So from the platform IoT, we create the API from there and insert goes to the apps inventor. And when the user tick on the user interface MIT apps inventor, is going to transfer the data from not MCU and bring out the output, which is the LED. That's how the process was going on in this project. As you can see here, this is the what happened in the MITS inventor. Firstly, on user interface on MITS inventor, we provide two buttons, which is on and also off. And for the block designer program, we design two block, which is for the web one, is referring goes to the API provided by the IoT platform, which is ThinkSpeak. However, in the result of our project, the URL that provided by the ThinkSpeak is not valid and caused there is no data was being transferred to the not MCU.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Mohamad Syahmi Iskandar bin Bazli, nombor matrik AN180185. Okay, setelah mendengar penjelasan dan detail yang dibentangkan oleh rakan-rakan saya, okay, saya akan menyimpulkan dan membuat kesimpulan apa yang telah dipelajari dalam lab PBL ini. Okay, korang dah menganalisis dan mempelajari setiap function yang ada pada not MCU ni. Okay, banyak kelebihan dan keburukan atau orang panggil batas yang not MCU ni tak dapat buat. Tapi not MCU ni mempunyai Wi-Fi modul di mana dia boleh daripada prototype yang kecil boleh apply untuk projek yang lebih advance. Okay, selain itu, korang berjaya menghasilkan mini projek yang berdasarkan timer. Korang membuat satu projek yang set masa selama 2 second dan dia akan berkelip. Sekian, terima kasih.